Hey guys, welcome to Tips for Financial Suit again. Today we're going to talk about 10 important keywords that you need to know when dealing with mortgage. Let's jump right into it, right? First one, everybody know the APR, which is short for annual percentage rate. It's a little bit different than your interest rate. It actually tell you how much you're actually paying for the whole loans in a form of percentage. So when you compare interest rate, you also want to look at the APR that provided by those other different lenders to see which one have higher APR, meaning you're paying more. All right, number two, appraisal value. This is telling you what is your market value of the house that you are about to purchase or the house that you want to refinance. And this is determined by a professional's appraisers that chosen by the lenders. Next one, the third one is cash to close. Now cash to close including your down payment and every closing cost. If you want to know what a typical closing cost is, check out my other video about closing costs. Number four, cash out refinance. This one a little bit different than rate term refinance because when you do a cash out refinance, you actually converting some of the equity you have in the house into cash, and you can use it for many different purposes. For example, debt consolidations, investment into other real estates or stock programs, or just to remodel your homes, right? And whereas rate terms is only reducing your interest rate that you currently have on your mortgage. Number five, closing disclosure. This is the disclosure that you as a consumer supposed to receive 3 business days before the closing date. And it should disclose your interest rates, your monthly payments, and all the closing costs associated. There might be a few fluctuated until you got the final closing disclosure, but you should have all the details. Number 6, debt to income ratios. What does that mean? Usually lenders use your total monthly liabilities or monthly debts divided by your monthly gross income before tax, and will come out a percentage. Lender prefer you keep this DTI below 50% in order to qualify you for mortgage. Of course, there are many other factors, but this is one of the main ones. Number 7, everybody know about mortgage insurance. For conventional loan, if you put down less than 20% for down payment, you are required to pay this monthly private mortgage insurance until you have enough 20% equity in the house. For FHAs, you required to pay for the monthly mortgage insurance depend on how much you put down. If you put down less than 10%, you're going to pay for the life of the loans. But if you put out 10% and more, 11 years, which is still a long time to me. Number 8, LTV, which is short for loan to value. Do you take the loan amount divided by the lower value of appraisal value or purchase price? That's what the lender use to determine what your interest rate can be and what its closing cost can be, or if you have to pay PMI or not. So watch out for the LTV. Number 9, PITIA. What does that even mean? Well, it's a short acronym for P stands for principal, first I, interest, T is property tax, another I is insurance, and A, depending on the place you're gonna buy or refinance, it stands for homeowner association fees. And last but not least, number 10, points, or in another word, lender points. Each lender point equal to 1% of the loan amount. So sometimes you have the options to buy down the interest rate. And the mortgage broker or the loan officer will tell you, oh, for this interest rate, it's gonna cost you 1 point, 2 points, or 1.5 points. Usually you take that point, times the loan amount, divide by 100. That's how much it costs to buy down that interest rate, to buy down to that interest rate. These are the 10 important keywords you need to know when you're dealing with mortgage. Of course, there's so many other keywords out there that you want to know. If you have any other keywords that you want to know, feel free to comment below or DM me. If you like this video, consider like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for future videos. Thank you for watching Tips of Financial Street. See you next time.